this one so out. All right. Good morning, Dirk. Good morning, Nav. How you doing, boys? Come on. There you go. Perfect. All right, let's get it. Man, well, hopefully my my deal opens up and I can actually trade today. That would be nice. Don't know if we'll get that lucky, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see.
Watch out, coming.
Does anyone else in here have a Lucid account? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I don't know what I did wrong, or I need to. Nav, I don't know what I did wrong or why it won't let me trade now, but I've tried to log out of everything. I've tried to log back in. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I don't know. I'm assuming I need to like grant myself some permissions or switch a button or something, but at least up to now, I have no clue what the hell I'm doing wrong. I don't know. I'm waiting for their support team to get back to me, but dude, I sent a thing to support last night at 7 p.m. Then they hit me back up at Did you activate the add-ons? Yes. And good morning, Kevin. What's up, brother? Did you log out of TradeVacate and log back in? I did. I did like probably 25 times. I'll do it again. Yeah, it just keeps doing the same thing. I don't know what the hell the issue is. I don't know. Hopefully it's a thing. So hopefully it's something that I just can't trade Asia session. And honestly, that wouldn't be the worst thing. I could just honestly open up another prop firm, trade the Lucid in the during New York, and then trade a whole another prop firm at night. I wouldn't hate that, but also not exactly what I'm looking to do. But that wouldn't be too bad at the end of the day. I wouldn't be opposed to that. Keep me honest. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is. And I've tried all different symbols. I mean, I traded these symbols yesterday, or tickers or whatever. So I don't really know. I don't know. And I've gone through all my TradeVacate like tabs, and I've turned on like two-step authentication. I've done everything that I think I can. I even tried to sign up through NinjaTrader. Huh. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is. Prohibit auto roll. Send account summary, push emails. I don't need like two-step authentication or anything like that. Yeah, I got all my add-ons turned on. I don't know, man. It's so weird because I literally traded yesterday. I traded yesterday, it was perfectly fine. And then Asia session, it just stopped. I don't know. gonna keep trying to see. Oh, what's up, Kyle? Did you try unplugging it and plugging it back in? I did try that. I'm using Lucid Trader. SIL1 exclamation point. See, like that one, like it doesn't let me do anything. It's not like the signals that I'm or the ones that I'm trading don't work. It's literally anything. Like nothing works. I'll even add this one because I probably should add this one anyways. But yeah, I don't know what the deal is. And the worst part is I could pass the eval today. All right. 831, 831, 831, 831. All right, boys, I need you guys to go blow up the free plays reactions real quick. Do me a please, big old favor. And as we do get more people in here, I kind of want to wait. I don't know why we only got 24 people in here. I don't know what the deal is with that. Boy. But I do have some pretty big news on some prop firms. So did I try Rice? Yes, I put I put Rice on my Mac. Okay. Yes, bro. I've tried every fruit. Yes, bro. No, it's actually not gonna let me trade. I honestly just thought it was gonna work once market opened back up. Fuck. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do now? Bro. All right, give me 2 more seconds to try and figure this shit out, and then I'll stop. Dude. Why? Why? I'm in demo. I mean, I'm in demo. I'll try live, but yeah. I don't know what the fuck the deal is. I don't know what it is. I don't know what I did. Guava? Yes, bro. I've tried every fruit. Dude, that shit is so funny, bro. That shit is so funny. Yes, bro. I've tried every fruit. Orb strategy? Yes, bro. I've tried every strategy. Lucid, bro? Yes, I've tried every prop firm, bro. How old are you, Buzz? I'm 20. I'm 20. Yes, bro. Bro, fuck. I don't know. Oh, damn it, dude. I just want to trade. But I'm not. Like, I want to open another account just to see, but I also don't want to just, like, be burning money. I think it works if you craft a laptop on Minecraft and trade from there. Bet, bro. I did see some shit on my Instagram the other day of some dude making, like, ChatGPT in Minecraft. What kind of fucking brain do you have to do that shit? That's honestly probably arguably harder than actually just, like, making your own ChatGPT. I mean, it's definitely fucking harder. What? Bro, let me trade. Let me trade. Application trading view. Currently have maximum number of sessions. Close oldest session. Bang. Okay, now let me try and why does when you try and trade on TradeVacate, why is the data delayed, but then it gives you the add-on for trading view? That makes no sense. Nah, it says that all of them are delayed. Because that's what I was gonna do. I was like, I'll just trade through TradeVacate, but it doesn't even let you. I don't know, man. If this right here doesn't work, I guess I'll just sit from the sidelines. Fuck. You can't trade. Man, I don't fucking know, man. I don't know. Yeah, the TradeVacate interface sucks butt. Yeah, let's go, Kurt. I know we're about to get hit a banger because I can't trade, so y'all know we better rip it. Zeta's ripping this morning per Jorge. Bro, did you know? Bro, jeez. Boys are tripping. Ah. D-Dot, shut up. You're not helping. But do you think I should just buy another eval? Well, do you think that will work? I'll do another one if it's going to work. Do you think? Did you use the login they sent an email? I mean, yeah, I've been using the same login like with the credentials and all that shit. Yeah, to my knowledge, I did. TradeVacate account approved, blah, blah, blah. I think you should get 5 more accounts and give me the ones that don't work. Okay, bet. I'll work on that. All right, well, anybody who's not in this, I guess, just gets to miss out. I don't know why we signed out of trading. We signed back in. The login ID password. Logged in with the. Where did you see this? Where'd you see this? Was it email from Lucid or from TradeVacate? Because I'll go look real quick before we. I got 7 minutes from Lucid. Okay. So Lucid Trading. That's my daily recap. Lucid Trading, order processing. La da 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 da. Okay, okay. I'm not seeing shit. You're a liar. Trading account ready. Okay. Yeah. I use that login. I use that login and password. It's the same one as in your credentials. Man, I just want to trade. I just want to trade. All right. Let's Oh, what? You might as well just buy the 50Ks. You're up 700 on funded. Let's go, baby. Good shit. Congrats, brother. All right, let's see if I just blew $78. Let's see. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly with account details. Pending, your account will become active within 5 minutes during market hours. Weekend purchases become active at Sunday market. Yeah, Dita, okay, wait, actually, I'm going to shut up because I'm the one that doesn't have it correct, so go for it. Nah, go for it. Go for it. After losing 5K the day before, it should be happening. All right, well, it looks like we should be able to get some pretty good price action here. I'm gonna send pics of what I did bet. You can just DM them to me if you got like, if you don't want to like share your email, which is email. All right. Yo, my boy Jose was tweaking for a second, bro. I thought I kicked him. Nah, bro, trust. It's just the way that the platform works. If once you cancel your subscription, or once you terminate your subscription, I don't know. I need to fix it because it kicks you from the entire. It'll kick you from the Discord for some reason. It doesn't ban you, so you can just join right back up. But I don't know why it kicks you from the entire Discord. But my apologies, bro. My apologies. My bad. My bad. All right. Let's wait for this fucking email. But come on, buddy. Huh. She's not here. What do I think about RR? There's a question over on the YouTube side of things. Motherfucker, come on. Hold on, let me get this thing to stick, bro. I mean, RR is very speculative. It's not that it's bad. It's not that it's good, but it's just too speculative right now with the market at all-time highs. If the market wasn't at all-time highs, I would think a little bit differently. But right now, the only things that I'd be buying are just complete locks. And on that note, boys, I'm going to have some long terms coming out soon. I really want you guys to understand that these are going to be positions that we DCA into. These are going to be positions that you're realistically going to be read on at some point. And that's what we want. You want to be read a little bit and then buy your average cost down over time. Because at all-time highs, it's not the time to be buying heavy. But if you can start a position, with the market at all-time highs, but the stocks that we are buying are at 40% discounts, when the market does dip and then you get a 60% discount, you've already had a small position, you can DCA into that and work your way up better. And then inversely, if I happen to be wrong and we just crush through all-time highs and keep ripping, then beautiful, Yo, Buzz, I got Top Step. What should I be trading? Because I'd be trading with NASDAQ. You can trade MNQ. MNQ is what you'd want to be trading. God damn it, bro. This fucking camera just doesn't stay still. God. Bro, why is it doing this shit? Price targets for NNVC. All right, real quick. NNVC. With I would like to see a bounce back up to this range at around 150. I think it could definitely see a nice little day here. But if we can get a push up, get a 10 to 15, 20% up to 150, that'd be nice. Anything after that's really speculative, but we could see 190 all the way up to 240. But that part's a little speculative. I think that we could see a nice little bounce from where we are today up to. What is everything DCA? What? Everything DCA. Hold up, let me respond to D-Dot real quick. Oh, D-Dot, bro, your feet are so pretty. Thanks for sending me pictures. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Okay, account is ready. Let's try this one last time. NVIDIA got its order break. I'll take a look at that in just a second here. Oh, bet I just wasted $78 fucking dollars, bro. Fire, dude. Fire, dude. Silver's getting an orb break lower. QQQ is wanting to go back to orb. Bro, D-Dot, thank you, but it didn't work. Wait, what is everything? Oh, IDCA? Right now, nothing. Right now, well, hold on. I guess I should honestly probably update you guys on this. I don't know if I know I sent out a message, but this was, low key probably a year ago. Every day I buy $10 worth of VUG, I buy $10 worth of QQQ, and then I buy $10 of Bitcoin and $5 of Ethereum every single day. Every single day. So those are my every single day DCAs. I also do have a long-term portfolio outside of the Fidelity and the Robinhood accounts where I literally just buy the S&P. I just don't even touch it. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is. I mean, I can see both of my accounts. Like, I can trade between them. I can see them both. I can see them on the Lucid dashboard. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm gonna try and get in contact with their support team, but I don't know. I mean, it's definitely like a manual issue. It's definitely like a me issue since it's something. It's not me. It's you. Or wait, fuck. It's not you. It's me. Yeah, I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did. I don't know what I need to do. It just makes no sense that I was able to trade and now I'm not. It would make sense if I was never able to trade, but I don't know. It's weird. It's weird. Yeah, it makes zero sense. All right, boys. Again, time to piss y'all off. I have some news. First of all, we all know the webinar is coming up. Do not miss out on that. I was talking to Wolf, and bro, he's got some crazy stuff. If you guys don't know Wolf, he's here in the Discord. He honestly kind of taught me how to trade futures for the most part. I mean, he taught me almost every strategy other than orb. So he's going to not only be good for me to listen into as well, but also you guys. So I would definitely recommend checking that out. I'll send the link back out here. But number 2, I was on the phone with Apex's top affiliate guy or whatever. Okay. He was able to get me 80% off for you guys. So if you guys use code BULLISHBUZZ in all caps at Apex, you get 80% off. Now, he was telling me that this is some insider information, and you guys can't tell anybody, but Apex is coming out with new products. Don't know what those products are going to be, but he did tell me they're coming out with new products. And so he said, use that 80% discount now. So if you guys are looking at Apex, 80% discount is pretty nice. I think it's like a $30 account after that. So if you guys want to try out a different prop firm, make sure you guys check that out. Okay. You must log into Tradevocate platform first using the credentials below. This step is only required once. Even if you plan to use NinjaTrader, go through. Oh my God. All right, I've got minutes until orb breaks here. Yeah, bro, it's stupid. I don't know why it doesn't work for you. Yeah, tell me about it, brother. I'll try and log out one last time. Dude, I don't get it. I don't know what the fuck it is. Huh. I mean, whatever. All right, we got about 31 seconds left on this 2-minute or on this 5-minute. Then I'll switch down to the 2-minute here. Take a look. I'm ready to get a trade in. I might honestly just take it on options with you guys since I can't take anything else. Doesn't let you trade in general or just silver. It won't let me trade in general. Like, it won't let me trade anything. It won't let me trade anything. Man, you always got to just jump back into orb with 2 seconds left, bro. What do you got to do that for? Okay, where is my individual stuff? Okay, there you go. All right, AMD got a put alert. I actually do like this. AMD's put alert does look good. AMD's put alert does look good. I like these. I like this put right here. All right. Well, if after this, call me on Discord. I'll share my screen. Bet. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I'm assuming that there's something weird that I have to like grant a permission of mine or do something like that, but I don't know. But I don't know. All right. I had something else I needed to tell y'all. Dude, this fucking camera is gonna piss me off. I don't know why I just can't stay in one spot, bro. I love it. It's cool, but it should just fucking stop moving. Yeah, I'm waiting for my boy Jerome to get back on me. Pause to get back to me. All right, all right, all right, all right. All right, boys. And why does this motherfucker's alerts go out early? All right. Well, I mean, I guess I have 2 evals for once my account's open, but I don't know. I'm gonna tweak. I don't know what's going on. All right. Well, I'm long ES targeting London highs. I don't hate that. I wish I could, tag along there. Wait, I do. I guess I do have a Top Step account. The final Top Step account. It could be because you didn't have the actual TradingView app downloaded. But it doesn't make sense because I did it yesterday. You know what I'm saying? Big Black Snake Mining, great story, brother. I'm just fucking with you. But it just doesn't make any sense because it's like you would think I traded yesterday. Like I mean, you can literally see it on this account. I made $1,511 yesterday. Passed the day on this eval. So that's what I'm saying. I don't understand. Here's the code for Apex. All caps. How do I connect my funded FO to my phone TradingView? The same exact way. You go on your phone, you click trade, then you link the trade vacate. Fuck, maybe I'll just try it on my try it on my phone. See if that works. Wasn't working yesterday, but we'll see. All right, hold up. Yeah, it just doesn't make any sense because I was able to do it perfectly fine yesterday. And then all of a sudden that Asia session, it just said, nope. No, you can't. 5 dash. Oh, gee, baby. Dude, I don't know what the fuck is going on, man. Won't even let me trade on my phone, bruh. I don't know. They just said I'm just too elite. Just too elite. But hey, I already got out there with my click the button in the bottom left where it says trade. Done. Not shit happens. I'm telling you, I've tried everything. I don't know what's going on. I've tried it all. Do this. Okay, bet. Okay, bet. It says accounts and USD next to it. Yep. See, look, if I toggle through them, it doesn't do anything. It still says I can't. Well, I guess hold on. Let me go to the actual account. Yeah, dude, I don't get it. I don't know what the fuck is wrong. Now I've got 2 that don't fucking work. All right. But yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. But if I can figure it out, I'll go live later today to make up for. I mean, I'm still gonna get an alert out, but I might go live later today for my trading. But I think I'm gonna start doing that. I think I'm gonna start probably ending these morning lives earlier if there is no good price action, and then just going live when I see an opportunity. Because like if we're gonna have red folder, like if we have red folder news, there's no reason for us to be live at 8:30. You know. Bet. Thank you, D-Dot. I tried to look, so hopefully you have better luck than I do. Or I did. But yeah, I really quite lost. So QQ or break, it's getting there. It's getting there. Silver broke back into orb, of course. All right. Dude, how the fuck did the 5 minute really close out? No, this dude's alerts are wrong. Got stopped out on video, really? Damn, bro, these fucking V shapes, dude. What are we pushing back up for? God damn. All right, we'll wait for a retest. I mean, I honestly like that candle. Huh. Market playing springs today. All right. Dude, I'm really so fucking confused. Like, I'm so insanely lost. I don't know what it is, man. Quick 750 on EAS. Good shit, brother. Do you have ad blockers or any security tools through that browser? I do. Oh, fuck. I just went incognito. Oh, I just went incognito. Ad block removed from Chrome. Fuck it. Let's see. We're sad to see you go. Bye. Bye, bitch. All right, let's see. Fucking motherfucker. D-Dot, you owe me a new ad blocker. Yep. D-Dot, you owe me a new ad blocker right now. Hit my Venmo. Bro, this shit is pissing me off. Are we waiting for a retest? We're waiting for the break. We still haven't gotten a break. Just get pie hole? What that? What I mean? For ad blocker? All right, bet. Well, I need a new one, so. I didn't like the one that I was using anyways. Fuck. This dude's gonna have me installing viruses on my shit. Bro, why did Top Step have to low-key get a clean ass? What Apex account should we get? Let me refresh my brain. I believe I haven't. I don't know. God damn it, I can't speak. Oh, I like the 50K. The 50K fulls, and then use the discount because it's like 80% off with code BULLISHBUZZ. And you can do wealth charts, rhythmic, or trade vacate. That's totally personal preference. If you do trade vacate, you can trade on TradingView. Maybe. Hold on, boys. Okay, Spy just got calls. I'm not a big fan of that yet. What percentage of the BuzzBot alerts do you go in on? I focus on the two that I like most are AMD and QQQ. Those are the two that I like most. I know a lot of people really like the Palantir Nvidia combo. That's a pretty damn good combo. But really, I would just try and find like one or two or three maybe that you have like a really good understanding of or success rate with, or you like the way that the contracts are structured and things like that. Like for me, I like the way that QQQ's contracts are structured, and I really like the way that AMD is. Like I feel like AMD moves pretty well. Inversely, like I don't go after Nvidia just because I don't like the way it moves. Like I think that you can get a really nice like 10 to 20%, but that's like kind of full TP for me. You know, yeah, Meta's another great one. D dot, what the fuck? You're the goat. How did you find that? All right, wait. Let me see if I can put on my headphones and listen. Can you guys can't hear this, can you? I'm listening to this YouTube video, so if y'all can hear it, let me know. I'll turn it down. Let's see a break. Let's see a break here. Holy yapathon, bro. Let's go. Pick it up. Oh, y'all can hear it though? Okay, hold on. It's only like 2 minutes. Yeah, that's what's happening to me. God damn it. Connect. All right, hold on, boys. I apologize. All right, I think it's just cooked. Did Spy just break and retest? Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. I don't want to see this candle pop off first. But you just don't want to see it sweep yesterday's highs because that's what I was watching. I want to see if we can possibly get QQQ to push down here and then have Spy sweep highs and break back into orb. That would be pretty nice here. But yeah, I would love to be able to take that trade if I could get it. Oh, it just logs me right back in, but it won't let me fucking trade. What? It logs me back in without my fucking username, but it won't. Okay, whatever, bro. Whatever, bro. Whatever, bro. Whatever. If you can't trade on TradingView, then you're able to trade on TradeVacate. It's a whole lot more info in regarding to it, dude. But it won't let me. But it won't let me even on whenever I go on TradeVacate. It says that all the data is delayed, so I can't trade that either. I don't know, whatever. But why that thought process? Wait, hold on. Wait, why the thought process and what? Because it would form an SMT if that's what you're asking. If one asset's going to sweep yesterday's highs and push down, that would form an SMT, meaning that QQQ this would essentially form our MAC model, or this would essentially form the BB model. So you'd have that sweep, then you would want to look for a fair value gap here that we can retest and push down, but you would end up taking the trade on QQQ because that's just simply how SMTs work. Now, I'm not saying we're going to get that, but I'm saying that's always a possibility when you're coming up against yesterday's high, especially with orb, to break right back into orb, and push down. Now, is that going to happen? Not saying it is. It honestly looks pretty bullish here with this 5-minute candle pushing up. I think that if you were going to take the spy call, it's not a bad time, but I want to see QQ break because if spy can break all time, or if spy can break yesterday's highs and move up, it's going to drag QQQ. What the fuck is this thing doing? What is this thing doing? I don't know what the fuck's going on with that thing. Okay. Oh, Hood's earnings are today. Hood's earnings are today. Bet. Go to where it says QQQ, then toggle in futures only. Look. TradeVacate only, SIL. The one that I was literally trading yesterday. This one too. I don't know. We can jump on a call later, D-Dot, but I don't want to waste anybody's time. If I can't trade today, it's not that big of a deal. It ain't that big. Ain't that big of a deal. Calls for hood earnings. I don't gamble on earnings, but yeah. Bro, is there like a Nah, QQQ has not broken orb yet. QQ has not broken orb yet. Weatherman. Here, I'll make it more exaggerated. I can make it more exaggerated. Okay. There we go. There's that pop for QQQ. I like these now. That is a good pop right there. I like the QQQ 618 calls. Honestly, 619. I like QQQ 618, 619 calls. Either one of those look really good. I'm going to look to add some here. I'm not going to go too heavy just because I haven't been future trading, honestly. Yeah, I like the 618 calls. I like the 618 calls. Added them at 8.3. In Q1 exclamation point. Okay, give me 2 seconds, boys. In Q1 fuck exclamation point. No, it still doesn't work. All right. It's all good. I won't waste any more time. All right, I got in at 0.83. These are at 9.6. At 0.96. Wait, why does it say? How does it? What? All right, these are at 0.96 here. Up a few percent here. MNQ longs too. Yes. MNQ longs will work. How much hope do you have in the 331 calls for silver? Yeah, they're cooked. We talked about it on the other live. They're cooked. Sell them for what you can get them for, but like I said, I take full responsibility for it. I'm not gonna act like I didn't send out the alert, but I obviously didn't see a 30% decline coming, and so 100% on me. But I didn't obviously see that kind of reaction, so I do apologize. But yeah, we talked about it. Yeah, I'd get out now. I mean, at least you got a nice little bounce back up to 80s. But I'll take that one off the chest. Definitely not my best alert. I'm not gonna sit around and act like hey Buzz, can we trade QQQ on Lucid accounts? Nah, but you can trade MNQ. My kids are in the room learning. Beautiful, bro. I love that. Dude, hell yeah. All right, boys. These are back up to 90. Hopefully we can get a retest of yesterday's highs. Looks like SPY is doing kind of the same here. Retesting yesterday's highs. So as long as we can hold yesterday's highs, I like these still. I'm still up 5 cents right now on what I had added, or 4 cents. So this is a pretty good entry for MNQ longs. This 5 minutes about to close. I think that we can come back down to yesterday's high and then push off. Hood just got an orb call. Hey, if you wanted to play Hood's earnings, now wouldn't be a bad time to get into those orb calls and then take it up. But all right, these are back up to 92 cents here. 94 cents, so we're up 10% here. Oh, it's because I sold a dump. I fucking did a covered call. I was like, why is my shit backwards, bro? Because I clicked covered call. Okay. All right. All right, these are up to 93 now. All right, who is in this? Who is in QQQ or MNQ right now? All right, I like the play to look like this. We entered on this candle. I like to play here if we can put our stop loss basically at orb. On M and Q, you should be getting close to your TPs. On QQQ, you should be taking TP. We are at 97 cents. We are at 97 cents here. Just pushed back down to 91 as I said that, of course. But look to take trims at $1, around 95 to $1 here. I'm about to send out an alert once we get up a little bit here. Of course, we pushed down the second I said that. But we do look good. This 5 minute might need a little bit of a breather before we do push higher up. Might need to flip, get a little wick, and then move. But we'll see here. All right. Jesus, bro, what the fuck is that? Ugly chick. Are you still floating around 90? So we should all be up. All right, bet we got a good bit of good few of y'all in there. If we do break back below yesterday's high, I wouldn't be against an exit, but we're pretty much at break even here. Up about 4 cents right now per con. Still looks good. Just need to see this retest. There you go. Taking trims at 95 cents, guys. Taking trims at 95 cents. 156 on M&Q. Nice. 156. Wait. All right, let's have this be a retest. Tap into this 3-minute fair value gap. This looks pretty good here. Whoa. All right. Get out of these. 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 Whatever that is. Whatever that is, bro. All right, great. Whatever that is. Bro. What the fuck is this market, bro? This is why I hate trading this shit. There's no way that that's a fucking normal reaction. All right. Lord, bro, what the fuck is that? God. Well, hopefully y'all are able to take trims up at 90 cents, but bro. Did news come out? There isn't news at 9. It's 9:15. Bro, this dude Trump just tweet? What is this? There is zero reason for a reaction like that. Bro. So QQQ casually just sells off $1.50 in the last 30 seconds of a 2-minute candle. What is that, bro? What the fuck? Yeah, I checked. I knew that there was no news today. But what the fuck is that? What? Bro. That doesn't make any sense. But we might get a good setup for a little short here. But what the fuck is... Dude, what? That makes 0 sense. There's no indication of anything close to that. Oh my god, dude. Like, that was... What? The fuck? That was horrendous, man. I mean, dude. I'm sorry, D-Dot. God, this shit is so whack. I'm so lost, bro. Where did that just go? Why did we just fly, bro? All right, well, we might get a nice little entry off this 2-minute retest here. But my God, bro, what the hell is going on? Market in shambles right now, bro. You think Lucid site's broken? It better be, dude. I don't know what the fuck is going on, man. Well, back to damn Top Step we go, I suppose. Dude, once I can actually buy Apex accounts, bro, I'm gonna be going with Apex, but I can't even get my own discount. That's so stupid. Let me get my own damn discount, brother. All right, let's see the market push down or something. Like, just give me a direction here. Give me a damn direction. Market has no clue where it wants to go right now. I'll tell you that right now. On the 5-minute, the Drake bounced perfectly off the 5-minute. On the wait, Daddy Drake, it did. Good point. Just not out of that one. Well, I would love to be able to trade. See, bro, like this just doesn't make any sense. Why do we get all this? Dude, I just want to fucking have an opportunity to go after something, bro. I have no interest in this bullshit. Jerome, hit me back, bro. Jerome, hit me back, bro. Please. Dude. So CQG. Switch it from RH to extended and from adjusted to wait, what the fuck? Wait, it's not letting me change that. Adjust data. Wait, it's not letting me change it to be whatever the fucking shit you're talking about. Okay, now it's on be adjusted or whatever. Yeah, whenever I try taking a trade, it just kicks me out. Yeah, it like won't even. It just says you cannot trade. It says you're a big fucking idiot and I can't trade. That's what it says to my face. I say, God damn it. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I think it's just. I think I'm just gonna quit trading. Since I can't trade this one day, I think I'm just gonna quit trading altogether. Got rinsed on the dome, couldn't get out fast enough. Yeah, sorry about that, bro. Obviously, that was a pretty interesting candle there. Yeah, I don't know. I need Jerome to hit me back, bro. This dude's sleeping in. This dude's fucking sleeping in, bro. Yo, Jerome, hit me back, bro. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. And it makes no sense because I literally was literally trading yesterday. I did nothing different. I didn't change anything. I didn't do anything. Alerts, da da da. All right. $320. What the fuck? I don't know, man. I don't know. I'll figure it out on my own time. All right. All right. I'll be honest. I kind of like this. I do like this. I want to wait and see this 3-minute candle close, but I do like this. I do like the put opportunity here. But as we all know, the second I do it, it will just. Deadass. I'll go calls, y'all go puts. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is, bro. I don't know what the deal is. I don't know what the deal is, bro. Dude. Nav, we get it, bro. Congratulations. No, I'm just fine. Nav, I was able to watch the Super Bowl this week and not cry. How about that? But yeah, that was an atrocious game. I would have rather watched Patrick Mahomes run around the field for 60 minutes and watch Taylor Swift's boyfriend go catch some lubed up passes. Bro, come on. Come on. My favorite part about the game was Jessica Alba during the halftime performance. Fucking bingo. Bingo. Like a moth to a flame. Like a damn moth to a flame, brother. Yo, Jessica Alba. What? We were investing in her company for a while, bro. What the fuck what was it called? What the hell was it? We were investing in it for a minute. Her beauty brand. What the fuck was it called? We were all in it. We made a decent little profit on it. Honest, yes, the Honest company. Yes, sir. I literally only bought it because she's hot, by the way. There was no other reason. There's no other reason. I'm telling the Bullish Huzz. Bro, she knows Jessica Alba's hot too, bro. She doesn't give a fuck. I'm locked in, bro. I ain't leaving her ass. Alright, let's beat this. Let's see if we can get any targets here. If we can just play it back up to you can break this zone right here. And targets to there. Targets to there. Targets to there. Dude, I just want to be able to trade, man. My Lucid account will let me in. It just won't let me into the rest. All right, market doesn't know what it's doing. Market's lost. It's confused. Guess their size down if they got banned. Mine's working. Funny enough, my Lucid site is working. That's actually hilarious. Wow. I'm sure you guys can still trade too, right? Wait, someone sent me Lucid's Discord group yesterday. Okay, hold on. Lucid site is now in maintenance mode for updates. Lucid site is back online. Maintenance is completed. Okay. Wait, that was yesterday. Wow. Yeah, I just checked out Lucid's Discord and people are bitching and moaning. Maybe it's not the move. Trial and error. Probably too many folks in there, so it crashed once other firms have been dookie. Yeah, that's the thing, bro. Maybe we need to find a sleeper firm. I think that's what we need. We need a sleeper firm. Funded Futures Family right now? What the fuck is that? Funded Futures Family? Are you talking about my Funded Futures? take profit trader. I see a lot of people talk about take profit trader. What is their pricing? Oh man. Deadass, bro. We should just all pool our money together. Everybody just Venmo me their whole life savings, and we'll just open our own prop firm and hedge fund. We could run a meme coin, all the proceeds. Oh Jesus Christ, D-Dot, we were literally in sync on that. Make a meme coin, just rinse everybody but the people in premium. I'm just kidding. I will never do a meme coin, bro. That's like the fucking last thing I'd ever do. Hold on, let me text my girlfriend's dad happy birthday just so I can get some kudo points. Happy birthday. You rug pulled people? What the fuck are you talking about? Nah, it's not gonna be Buzzcoin, bro. It's gonna be Huzzcoin. How much is your delay? It's like two to 3 minutes over here on YouTube. 2 to 3 minutes over here on YouTube, but we're also live in the premium where there's no delay. Calm band. D-Dot's a bad guy, bro. He be rugging people. This dude be rugging people. Can't believe it. I would never try that. I heard stories of people who got rug pulled. I just think it's dumb, bro. It just makes no sense. Like, why would you? I just don't understand why people buy it. Like, no offense, if I saw a notification from me and it said I'm making a fucking meme coin, I would laugh. I would just be like, dude, you're a dumbass. What are you doing? Like, there couldn't be a less credible thing to ever do. Like I could see someone falling for one of those like DM scams before I see someone falling for a meme coin, bro. Meme coins did ruin crypto. D-Dot does do OnlyFans. Come on, baby. Let me trade, please. Oracle calls. Let me take a look. I don't hate it. There really isn't much resistance. I would go longer than. I might look at like next week's expiration. It's the same D dot that was on could have been records, bro. That could have been record shit is hilarious. God, QQQ just wants to do nothing today. Mmm. Bro, I just want it to let me into trade, bro. Please, 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 please. Back. Dude, there has to be some kind of permissions that I'm like not signed up for or something. There has to be. Bro, QQQ looks like dog piss. Dude, where is like account permissions or some shit? All right, I'm in a Lucid group, Lucid's Discord. I'm gonna ask their fucking admin to help me out. Help me out, help me out, help me out. Somebody, please. I'm gonna jump for joy once I figure this shit out, dude. Going to jump for joy, man. Dude, I don't get it, man. Dude. Oh my god, man. I'm trying to figure out how to do this shit and there ain't no answers, bro. Dude, I'm so lost, bro. Kenny Whitmire. Kenny Whitmire. Dude. Oh. Oh. He kicked me out. Okay. Okay, that's something. Got shit on. Oh. Yeah, nothing's looking good. What's up, Griffey? Nothing's looking good, so I'm gonna get off now, but I'm gonna do my best to go live if I can see a play, but I've also got to get my shit fixed. So a few problems on the board there, but we'll get through it. I just need to figure out how to get my thing to work, and that'd be nice. But obviously, that's asking a lot right now, as the whole website's down and all that kind of shit. Bro. The people in the fucking Lucid Discord are morons, bro. There's like 50 messages on messages saying that the website's down, it's oversaturated by users, and just every other message is the website down? Is the website down? But I'm gonna head out here. I'm gonna be sending out alerts when I see them, but obviously the market looks like dog shit right now, so there's not much there. And other than that, I'll catch y'all boys. Hood's earnings today, so we should see some good price action out of that. But other than that, I'll alert if I see anything. But right now we look like shit. So once I get my futures account fixed, I'll probably go live again and jump back on. So I'll catch y'all boys later.